Hey, what's up, John? Corey here. Real quick, I'm going to shoot over those 3 free tips that you can actually apply to a website. In actually, fair amount of time, you can actually rank that website and actually draw the leads off of it and really actually help grow your business. And so the 3 things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I got a budget handyman service, just kind of give you an example here. First thing I'm going to go over is content. Google loves content, and really we got to come out and beat all these other different websites with content. I like to be personally around 15, maybe 2,000 words on that first page, being really authoritative in who I am, what we do, all that kind of stuff. Plus, having that much more content inside there, you can layer in those keywords, and those keywords are or what people are actually searching for, and how your website's actually being found. Kind of give you an example here. If I go inside of a there we go. If I go inside of Google and type in handyman concord CA, this is what you're going to see. You got this little map pack here at the very top. Some people call it a 3-pack because of all the traffic just what happens on the top 3 sections here. Some people call it a GMB, Google My Business, whatever. But to get in the top 3 sections, you're going to be dealing with online business directories. These are also known as citations. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it, and you got to make sure it's all done correctly. So really what we'd want to do is go get those same citations from your top competitors. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there completely outrank them. So I would do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google comes by and crawls out, does all their algorithms and whatnot, they got no reason to put you in the very top for all that work that you've done right here. And I'm going to come back out of this map pack here. Right underneath this Google My Business listing, we have that first page of Google. This is where all that traffic happens, right on that first page. And to get that organic traffic, you're going to be dealing with all that content, making sure that you're found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from multiple different websites linking back to your website that's just really pushing power to your website so you can actually get on that first page of Google. And not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I take this guy's URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs just shows me what happens behind the scenes of a site, and I can actually show you, break down a rundown real quick. So this guy has 3 referring domains, pushing back 79 backlinks, 82 clicks go into his website, which that's coming off of 274 of how people are actually searching for certain keywords. We can actually come in and see where those 82 clicks are coming from. So Handyman Concord CA, there's 70 clicks a month right there, and he's 4th position, so he's not really doing the best ranking, but he's getting 7 clicks out of the 70. And really, if we come in and get in a better position, we should see a little bit higher traffic than that as well. Budget handyman services, we want to be a little bit specific, like Handyman Walnut Creek CA. If you wanted to go after that keyword, there's 30 clicks a month right there. 5th position, he's even getting 2 clicks a month. So if get a few customers out of that one keyword, have out of 30, whatever, even if you got 5 out of it, because he's not doing the best ranking. Handyman carpentry services near me. There's another 90 clicks right there. General contractor San Ramon CA, I don't know if you could do that area, but really coming in, finding all these different keywords that's just going to help drive more traffic so you can actually do more jobs and really grow. But anyway, hopefully you get an idea of what's going on here. But I'd love to put a custom game plan to help to get to where you're going, or if you just want to play these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. Look forward to chatting with you soon. Bye.